Hi everyone,
Hello everyone,
I'm Peter.
and I'm Mary.
Today we'll talk about home improvement stores.
That sounds useful.
Yes, very practical.
I get lost in those stores.
Many people do.
Where do we start?
Let's learn together.
I'm excited.
We'll cover everything today.
Tools and materials.
Yes. And how to ask questions.
That's really helpful.
Let's begin.
Why learn this vocabulary?
Everyone needs repairs sometimes.
That's true.
DIY projects save money.
Really?
You don't need contractors always.
I can do it myself?
Many things, yes.
That sounds great.
Store employees speak quickly.
I noticed that too.
Knowing the words helps.
I want to learn.
Let's start with the basics.
I'm ready.
First, let's understand store layout.
It's so big.
Yes, they're huge.
Where's the hardware section?
Usually near the entrance.
What's in hardware?
Screws, nails, small items.
Where's the plumbing department?
Often on the left side.
What's there?
Pipes, faucets, toilets.
Where's electrical?
Usually middle aisle.
Like light bulbs?
Yes, and wires too.
Where's paint?
Paint section is separate.
Makes sense. What about lumber?
Often outside.
Why outside?
Wood is too big inside.
Where's the garden center?
What's outside usually?
What's there?
Plant, soil, garden tools.
Do they rent tools?
Yes. Tool rental area.
Where's that?
Near customer service usually.
Good to know.
Let's talk about finding help.
How do I ask?
First, find the help desk.
Where's that?
Usually near the entrance.
What do I say?
Where can I find?
That's simple.
Look at store directories.
What are those?
Maps of the store.
Like shopping mall maps?
Exactly.
What about aisle numbers?
They're very important.
Why?
They help you navigate.
How do I use them?
Check the signs above.
I see. Who can help me?
Different people work there.
Who are they?
Department specialists know a lot.
About specific areas.
Yes, like plumbing experts.
What about cashiers?
They ring up purchases.
Stock clerks?
They restock shelves.
Customer service desk?
For returns and questions.
When says HOULD, I ask.
When you're unsure.
Don't be shy.
Exactly. Just ask. Let's discuss basic hand tools.
What's most basic?
A hammer?
For nails?
Yes, pounding nails.
What about screwdrivers?
You need different types.
Like what?
Flathead and Phillips.
What's the difference?
Different screw head shapes.
Oh, I see.
Wrenches are important too.
For what?
Tightening bolts and nuts.
What about pliers?
Or gripping things.
Measuring tape?
Measure before you buy.
How long?
Get 25-foot tape.
What's a level?
It checks if things are strayed.
For hanging pictures?
Exactly.
What about power tools?
Those are more advanced.
Like what?
A drill is essential.
What does it do?
Makes holes, drives screws.
Corded or cordless?
Cordless is more convenient.
Why?
No cord to trip over.
What about saws?
Many types exist.
Like what?
Circular saw, jigsaw,
When do I need them?
for cutting wood.
What's a sender?
Makes surfaces smooth
Why use it?
before painting or staining.
WHAAT about safety.
Always wear safety glasses,
Anything else?
gloves and ear protection.
Better safe than sorry.
Exactly right. What if tools break?
Can I fix them?
Sometimes yes.
Where do I go?
Customer service desk.
Do they have warranty?
Check your receipt.
How long?
Usually 90 days to 1 year.
What about replacement parts?
Ask the department specialist.
Do they repair tools?
Some stores do.
How much does it cost?
Depends on the tool.
Should I just buy new?
Not always necessary.
Let's talk about materials.
Good idea.
What's the difference between screws and bolts?
Screws go into wood directly.
And bolts?
Need nut on the other end.
When do I use nails?
Or quick wood joints.
What are wall anchors?
We hold screws in drywall.
Why do I need them?
Drywall is weak alone.
What about hinges?
For doors and cabinets.
Brackets?
To support shelves.
What kind of glue?
Depends on the material.
Wood glue? For wood?
Yes, exactly. Let's discuss lumber.
So many types.
Pine is most common.
For what?
General projects.
What about oak?
Stronger, more expensive.
How are dimensions measured?
And inches, like 2x4.
What does that mean?
Width and height.
What's plywood?
Thin wood layers glued together.
When do I use it?
For large, flat surfaces.
Can they cut wood?
Yes, they'll cut it free.
Really?
Just
What about weight limits?
always check load capacity.
Important for shelves?
Very important.
Now let's talk about paint.
Paint can be confusing.
So many choices.
First, choose the type.
What types exist?
Latex and oil-based.
Which is better?
Latex is easier to clean.
WHA do about primers.
Use them on bare surfaces.
Why?
Helps paint stick better.
Brushes or rollers?
Rollers for large areas.
Brushes for details.
Exactly.
Can they match colors?
Yes. Bring a sample.
How much paint do I need?
Measure your wall area.
They can calculate it?
Yes. Ask for help. Let's discuss common projects.
Like fixing a leaky faucet?
Yes, that's very common.
What do I need?
First, find the problem.
How?
Turn off the water.
Then what?
Take apart the faucet.
What parts might break?
Washers and O-rings.
Can I replace them?
Yes. Brings your part.
To match it?
Exactly.
What tools do I need?
Wrench and screwdrivers.
Is it hard?
Not really.
When should I call a plumber?
If water won't stop.
What about hanging pictures?
Very common question.
What do I need?
Wall anchors and screws.
Why anchors?
For drywall support.
How do I measure?
Use a measuring tape.
And a level.
Yes, very important.
Different wall types.
Brick, drywall, plaster.
Do they need different anchors?
Yes, absolutely.
What about weight limits?
Always check the package.
How much can it hold?
Depends on the anchor type.
Better ask someone.
Good idea. Let's discuss simple repairs.
Like what?
Fixing squeaky doors.
Just use oil?
Dieseling works great.
Where to spray?
On the hinges.
What about replacing locks?
Bring your old lock.
To match it?
Yes. Get the same size.
How do I patch holes?
Use spackling compound.
For small holes?
Yes, very easy.
What about bigger holes?
Need a drywall patch kit.
Is it hard?
A bit harder.
Should I watch videos?
Yes, very helpful.
Let's talk about shopping strategy.
Very important.
What should I do first?
Make a list.
Write everything down.
Yes, don't forget anything.
What else?
Measure everything carefully.
With the tape measure.
Yes, measure twice.
Buy once.
Exactly.
Should I take photos?
Great idea.
Of what?
a problem area.
Show employees.
Yes, they can help better.
Should I bring old parts?
Yes, for matching.
CHECK store hours.
Yes, before you go.
Some close early?
On some days. Now you're at the store.
What do I do?
Don't be afraid to ask.
Ask lots of questions.
Yes.
Should I compare products?
Always compare.
Check prices.
And check quality too.
Read the labels.
Very important.
What do they say?
Instructions and specifications.
What about return policy?
Always check that.
Why?
In case it doesn't work.
Can I return it?
Usually within 30 days.
With receipt.
Yes. Keep your receipt.
What about checking out?
Need help loading? They can help.
Really?
Ask at checkout.
What about delivery?
Large items can be delivered.
How much does it cost?
Depends on distance.
WHA about returns.
Keep your receipt.
How long do I have?
Usually 30 to 90 days.
What about loyalty programs?
Sign up for them.
Are they free?
Usually yes.
What are the benefits?
Discounts and special offers.
I should enjoy.
Definitely. Let's practice common phrases.
Good idea.
Where can I find the hammers?
That's useful.
Do you have this in stock?
What if they don't?
We can check other stores.
Great.
Which one do I need?
For when I'm confused.
Exactly.
Can you help me?
Simple and direct.
What's the difference between these two?
Very useful question.
I'll remember these. How do I ask about cost?
How much does this cost?
Simple.
Is this on sale?
Good question.
Do you have a coupon?
Save money.
Is this the right size?
Before buying.
Will this work for my project?
Very important.
Do I need anything else?
Don't forget parts.
How do I use this?
For unfamiliar tools.
What about problem situations?
Like what?
This is broken.
Show them the problem.
Yes.
I need to return this.
Bring a receipt. Can you cut this wood?
They do that?
Usually free.
That's great.
Do you rent this tool?
For one-time use. Smart idea.
When does this go on sale?
Save money.
Plan ahead.
Let's talk about safety.
Most important topic.
What should I do?
Always wear safety glasses.
Why?
Protect your eyes.
What else?
Wear gloves when needed.
For rough materials.
Yes.
Should I read instructions?
Always read first.
Even if I know how.
Safety rules change.
What if I'm unsure?
Just ask someone.
Better safe than sorry.
Exactly right.
Start with small projects.
Yes. Build confidence. Let's discuss saving money.
Everyone likes saving.
Buy generic brands.
Not name brands.
Generic works well.
Really?
Usually same quality.
WHA. About sales.
Wait for them.
When did they happen?
CHECK store website.
Should I use coupons?
Absolutely.
Where do I find them?
Newspapers and apps.
Loyalty programs.
Yes. Join them.
Compare prices.
Between different stores.
So much to remember.
It saves money.
What mistakes should I avoid?
Not measuring.
Measure first.
Always measure.
What else?
Buying wrong parts.
How to avoid that?
Bring the old part.
What about instructions?
Don't skip them.
Even simple projects?
Especially at simple ones.
What about rushing?
Take your time.
Why?
Mistakes happen when rushing.
Not asking for help?
That's a big mistake.
I'll remember.
Summarize key points.
Good idea.
Don't be intimidated.
Ask questions.
Take your time shopping.
Start with simple projects.
Measure everything twice.
Keep receipts.
Use safety equipment.
Compare prices.
Join loyalty programs.
Watch instruction videos.
Everyone starts somewhere.
Mistakes are okay.
Learn as you go.
Have fun with projects. I feel more confident now.
You should.
I'll try a small project.
What will you start with?
Maybe hang in pictures.
Perfect beginner project.
I'll measure carefully.
Good plan.
And use proper anchors.
Exactly.
I'll ask questions too.
Don't be shy.
Thank you for this lesson.
You're very welcome. Thanks for listening, everyone.
We hope this was helpful.
Visit your local store today.
Start with small projects.
Don't forget to measure.
And ask questions.
Share your project with us.
Leave comments below.
Good luck with your DIY.
You can do it.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Happy building!